Hey guys, Greg here in the Garage Series. Today we're looking at AAM styling their new Demon hooks and Demon brackets. The Demon brackets are a laser cut, heavy duty steel constructed mount. They're designed to bolt right back in where your factory tow hooks and brackets came off. They utilize the hardware from your original hooks and brackets. They also are designed that they fit the original or the OE bumper. It allows you to hang all the new aftermarket hooks that are available and clevises in the aftermarket to the front of your truck without having to buy an aftermarket bumper. The Demon hook that you see here is an 18,000 pound rated hook. It's a 6061 T6 billet aluminum construction, laser cut, powder coat finish that comes in 4 different colors: black, red, desert tan, and tactical black. So the tactical black, the difference here where you see the stainless steel bolts, it will actually have black bolts in place of that. Also, if you want to run them differently to where they don't have the bolts showing, you reverse it and it's plain hook without the bolts showing. So the installation on the Demon bracket is very straightforward. You're going to remove the factory tow hook and hardware. We rated a 2 out of 10 on our hard scale in about a 30-minute install. That's only because the 4 bolts you're going to utilize to reattach the Demon bracket could have some type of locking compound to keep it from coming loose from the factory, so it may be a little bit harder to do. Pretty straightforward install, just bolt it back on. The Demon hooks are nowhere near that hard. Simply with the integrated lock that's built in on the 7/8 inch stainless steel pin, snaps right into place, securing your Demon hooks. So there you have it, guys, the AAM styling Demon hook and Demon bracket. If you check the description below, you'll find out more information about them, including part numbers. If you click the link right below that, the Performance Corner stores, it'll find a Performance Corner store near you. They'll be able to get you fixed up with any of these products, and if you want, they'll even install it for you. I'm Greg in the Garage Performance Corner.